Dientes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is an option with arms on the first 8 counts, adding chest pumps and arm movements. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I do it facing you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There is also a 4-count tag after wall 4 and after wall 7. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Facing you. 1, 2, 3, 4. And start over the dance with 1, 2, 3, 4.